Welcome to my first Airbnb tour. Today we'll explore a container tiny house located in the Slovak Paradise, offering plenty of opportunities for hiking and relaxing in the nature. Let's take a look inside and discover its unique feature. Let's go check it out. The kitchen is the first space we enter. It is open, spacious and airy. The dark walls created a cozy atmosphere paired with a wooden floor and furniture. The upper shelves are used for decoration or kitchen essentials like tea, coffee and sugar. The kitchen also provides basic spices for cooking, a kettle, a deep sink and a drink water tank. A mini fridge is hidden in the lower cabinets. The dark cabinets match nicely with industrial dining area. The chairs are upholstered in the dark green, matching the curtains. You can heat the room with the stove. There's a stand with firewood nearby. If you don't feel like cooking, you can order pizza from a nearby pizzeria. In the living area, there's a large sofa with beautiful deer painting and light decorations that created a cozy evening atmosphere. There's also TV with a Netflix subscription for watching movies and shows, and a TV stand with board games for evening fun. At the back of the container is a spacious double bed with stunning view of the Slovak mountains. Two large windows cover the entire side walls, giving you a breathtaking view as soon as you wake up. Through these sliding wooden doors, we enter the bathroom, which has grey tiles combined with wood complemented by black accents of the furniture and decorations. The round sink with a solid wooden countertop and the water tank, like in the kitchen, is a unique feature. There's a round black mirror and essentials like a basket with towels and toilet paper. Next to the toilet is a spacious bathtub, perfect for relaxing after a long day. The highlight of the accommodation is the sauna. Yes, even a tiny house can have a sauna inside. Just light a fire in the small stove and you can enjoy hours of relaxation. The combination of wood and beautiful stone cladding along with the large window that offers a view of nature is stunning. For fans of cold hardening, there is outdoor cold plunge tub for ice baths. Outside there's a relaxing area with garden furniture where you can enjoy sunny days. The hanging lights created a pleasant atmosphere for evening gatherings. Currently, the house is decorated for autumn, so you'll find some pumpkins around. This small luxury accommodation covers an area of 24 square meters and is powered by solar panels on the roof of the container. It's located in a remote meadow, providing a peaceful atmosphere for relaxation. You can reach it by car to a nearby access road or by train. The nearest train station about 1 kilometer away. This location is ideal for passion hikers as it is close to the Slovak Paradise, which offers many hiking trails suitable for both challenging hikes and family outings. You can enjoy beautiful views of the snow-capped Tatras and the surrounding nature. Below in description you'll find a link to the accommodation, which you can book through Airbnb. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. Don't forget to support me here on YouTube, and I look forward to seeing you next time for another Airbnb tour. Bye!